In this episode of our 60-second business advice series, we'll delve into activity tracking in your sales lead database. Knowing what marketing activities are conducted for each lead is crucial. It helps measure outcomes and informs future strategies. Track the impressions and outcomes of specific activities. This data provides valuable insights, helping you tailor your tactics based on customer intentions. Each activity should have a specific timeline. Systematic tracking ensures you stay organized and monitor the progress of each lead effectively. By identifying patterns that lead to conversion, you can refine your strategies and focus on the most effective activities. Remember, activity tracking is not just about recording data, it's about using that data to drive customer engagement. Join us in the next video, where we'll discuss measuring the outcomes of these activities. Until then, keep tracking.